equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. These tools are essential for safely opening your Surface Pro 5 without causing damage. Start by powering off your device completely. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the battery replacement process. Once it's off, place the suction cup near the edge of the screen, applying gentle pressure to create a small gap between the screen and the body. Next, use the plastic spudger to carefully pry open the device. Work your way around the edges, being cautious not to damage the internal components. If you encounter resistance, double-check that you're not forcing it open. Patience is key here. Once the device is open, you'll see the battery connected to the motherboard. Take a moment to identify the screws holding the battery in place. Typically, there are 4 Torx T5 screws securing the battery. Use your Torx screwdriver to remove these screws, placing them in a safe location to avoid losing them. With the screws removed, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Be careful with the battery connector. It's delicate and can be easily damaged. If you find it difficult to remove, you can use the spudger to help disconnect the battery from the motherboard. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Align it properly in the compartment and connect it to the motherboard. Ensure that the connection is secure before proceeding. Once connected, replace the 4 Torx screws to secure the battery in place. Before closing the device, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a soft, dry cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will help maintain the performance of your Surface Pro 5. Now, carefully align the screen back onto the body of the device. Press down gently around the edges to ensure it snaps back into place. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with any concerns you may have. Once the device is closed, power it back on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. Finally, if you're considering having this done professionally, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision about your Surface Pro 5 battery replacement. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.